We begin tonight looking at the state of COVID-19 in Texas. No doubt you have noticed things have eased up as compared to this time last year and especially the year before that.
And now Texas Health and Human Services announcing it'll be scaling back on reported COVID case counts and hospitalizations from a daily basis to just once a week. That change starts this week. The
state will also no longer update their percentages of how many folks have received their COVID-19 shots. Our Bill Churchwell explains what the reporting change means for us right here in the Coastal Bend. Bill?
Hey there. Yeah, if your family came down sick this past week, chances are it was the result of the cold or the flu. However, cases of COVID-19 still continue to pop up. Over the weekend, the City County Public Health District reported 87 new COVID-19 cases. Dr. Dante Gonzalez is the Assistant Health Director for the district.
Roughly about 100 cases a week, which is still pretty high considering that we have a vaccine.
When it comes to vaccinations in Nueces County, you can see the population with the highest vaccination rates are those 65 and over, with seniors who had at least one dose at 91%. Fully vaccinated is at 83%.
It really speaks volumes on the community and taking responsibility and making sure that not only are you when you're receiving the vaccine, you're not just protecting yourself, you're also protecting your neighbor, the elderly individual that was at the mall.
Looking back at the local efforts, Gonzalez also credits the city's Save Our Seniors, or SOS program, for their strong numbers. That's where firefighters would make house calls for those who could not make it to local vaccination sites.
And for us to be able to have that ability for them to go to their house and not only provide the vaccine, but also help in the event that there's any adverse reaction to it, was really critical.
He says even now, folks can still call the city's hotline at 311 to request that service. Well, these are some of the last vaccine numbers we will see reported by State Health Services. Gonzalez still encourages folks to protect themselves.
Doesn't mean that we're at an end, right? It does not mean that we're done with COVID.
Bill Churchwell, 3 News.
Thank you, Bill, for that.